Hi, today I will be showing you a unified interface where you can find all the LLMs that exist in the entire world today. I would say probably like up to 90%. And as more begin to come up by the new um, businesses, we begin to see it in this unified platform. Today, I'll be introducing you to a new platform called Open Router. Now, OpenRouter is a unified interface for all the LLMs. So think of it like a one-stop shop where you can find all the LLMs that exist in the space right now. So think of it like you have one-stop shop where you can find ChatGPT, you can find Gemini, Claude, and you can find all the others. In order to gain access to it, all you just need to do is to go to you go to OpenAI, I'm sorry, openrouter.com. And once you get to openrouter.com, you'll be able to see this landing page where we are right now. Now, the question is, what can I do with this? Today, I'll be walking you through that process and what you are able to do with the OpenRouter solution. Yeah, so I'm going to start by signing in into the OpenRouter solution right now. So I'm going to sign in. I already have an account, but let's open a new account fresh and start with one of the accounts that I have somewhere. Let's get it in and then bam. And that's how you just get into the OpenRouter account. Yeah, agree to the terms and then you're in. Yeah, so I'm in. Now, the beautiful thing about this is you're able to access all the models all in one place. The simple process is you sign in and then you're able to buy credit, but initially you're going to have some free credit you can use pending the time once you join before you start. And then you're able to get all the LLMs. You can compare prices. You understand which LLM is stronger, which of them is not as strong as or doesn't have some strength, and then you know the one to utilize. If you click on models here, it's going to show you all the list of all the models. Just think of anyone and you find it here. So for example, if I'm looking for GPT-5, for example, I'll just put in GPT, shows me all the GPT that are available. I can see all of them all in one spot. Now, what I would like to show you is how to utilize this in another solution, especially when you need to interact with all of these LLMs or you want to use them for specific strengths that they have and the ones that don't have that are not that are weak in some areas. Yeah. So today I'm going to be doing a sneak peek into some of the solution. I'll be using n8n today, so you guys can see how we can work with it. If you click on chat, on the chat, you can see all the flagship models. You can see other, and then you can interact with it just like the way you do with ChatGPT, and then you can get the kind of output that you want. Rankings is giving you some level of ranking for you to see what's happening, and then in terms of docs, you're able to see the API docs in here, and you can utilize it for utilize it when you're trying to build a custom solution. Okay, so now we're going to n8n. I'm taking you into n8n right now. So in n8n, what we'll be doing in n8n here is to show you how we can utilize OpenRouter in n8n and how we can have access to a whole wide range of LLM solutions in n8n. But before we proceed with showing you what is possible in n8n, I'd just like to do a sneak peek into the ranking side. This ranking has given various type of ranking based on the various tools that the LLMs that we have in here. So you can take your time to go through all of them. Once you go in, then you can see all the information about them. Just by going in here, it shows you all of this. Docs. Docs basically show you all the documentation that you need to do in case you want to use it in a solution. And we'll talk about this later in the future. But right now, let's get into n8n. In n8n, let's assume we just want to build a simple AI agent. This is just to take you through the journey in case you want to build a simple AI agent. For example, once I click on this, yeah, and I want to start with a chat trigger. Just going to use chat. Yeah. I'm going to use charts, and then in chart here, come out here, and this is for chart. Then I want to add an AI agent. I click on AI agent. I can pick on any AI agent, and this is it. Now, where we need to see how OpenRouter can come handy is on this chart model here. Normally, you are allowed to pick any of this chart model like the Anthropic and the rest, or the Open AI, but this time we are picking the OpenRouter. So you just need to do is click on OpenRouter. Click on OpenRouter. For those of you that don't have an account with OpenRouter before, all you just need to do is click on this, and then once you come here, you're supposed to put the API key from OpenRouter in here. How do I get the API key in here? All I just need to do is come in here, come back in here, and let's go back to the OpenRouter landing. Just at the side here, once you click on this, you can see you have some options over here, like you have the keys. Just click on keys, and then you come in here, you create a new key, give the key a name. You can call the key, let's call it training. Yeah, and what you just need to do is create, and then you can copy API key here, save it in a secure place, come in here, and then just come in here and click on create a new credential, and then you can paste that key here. Over here, we can then give it a new name. Let's give it a name and call it training AI 2 or something, and then save. And once you do this, you have saved, and you see you have connection tested successfully. You have this in here. This means that you have saved this, and then you can utilize this. You can utilize this as your agent in here. Now, if you come in here, if you click on OpenRouter in here, right, you'll see all the LLMs available. You can find any one of them here. In case you're looking for Anthropic, just come in here and then you write Anthropic. You can find all the Anthropic models. You want all the DeepSeek model, DeepSeek, you can find all the DeepSeek in here. You want the Kimi models, you can find all the Moonshot Kimi models in here. And this is all we'll be showing you today. In the future, just in case you have any questions about how we can utilize AI to do some fantastic work for you, please feel free to reach out to us directly in this community, and also reach out to us via on our website, notsno.org, or you can send an email to info@notsno.com. You can like, share, and comment, and really appreciate it. Thank you.